How are you?
Wow. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good. Where are you from?
I'm from NZ.
New Zealand?
hmm
Yeah, okay. Perfect.
I'm just rolling me a smoke, and my drink is sitting outside with my ice melting. What's
Yeah,
up?
okay, for sure. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. So, how did you celebrate, or you are still celebrating the Christmas? Sorry, Christmas already passed here, and New Year. How did you pass?
Went to sleep, woke up, and started drinking.
Oh, with the drinking, okay. With the drinking, sleeping, okay. But do did you have any friend on your celebration, or you celebrated alone?
Can I just let you know? Can I just ask you? I feel like honestly, I feel like you're just about to promote something to me. I feel like you're a sales. Are you like a sales rep?
No, no, no. I'm not selling anything, or I'm just not doing promote anything out because you know what? You know what? What? You really so beautiful, lady. You know what? It was my
Sorry,
determination.
I actually think this is quite funny, but you know what? Because at the same time, you almost look like you're a bit nervous. Um,
Me?
you don't look like you have a. Do you have a lot of confidence?
A lot of confidence, meaning, yeah, I do have lots of confidence. Even it was my hard determination. I will start my new year with a beautiful and peaceful country's lady, as well as you are. I know the New Zealand is one of the world peaceful country.
Oh, peaceful country.
Yeah.
So you know your accent is
What?
mm, very unique.
Very unique. Oh
You
my.
know what? It almost. You know what? I was just trying to find the right words.
Yeah.
Um.
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
know, when you said peaceful, it almost sounded like you said pissful.
So
Um,
you know what? I have a. I have.
I think it's your accent. It's just your accent. That's all.
Yeah, okay. You know what? I have a Facebook page and YouTube channel. I just learned English, how to speak English. I try to inspire to our audience in my country. My first language is Bangla. Okay, but they are yeah, it's my mother tongue, Bangla. So, do you want to have a drink?
No, no,
Right?
sorry.
No problem.
Sorry. I was just asking. Are you gay?
Oh, no problem.
Hey, I just want to ask. Are you gay?
Oh, again, no, I'm
Oh,
not.
okay.
I'm not exactly. It's completely depend on personalities. So I'm not. I'm not gay.
You're not gay, but you're okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You lesbian?
Yes. No, I'm very much lesbian. Yes, I am. That's how I ended up with 2 kids.
Oh, interesting. So did you celebrate with your friends on the 31st night?
Mm. No, I just watched my phone ring.
Oh yeah, okay. May I know how old you are? I think you are around 20 to
I'm
25.
30.
Sorry?
I'm 30. I'm 30.
How do you call you 30?
Thank you so much. Yeah, I get that all the time.
May I know what is the master of actual beauty of you?
What makes me look younger?
Yeah, you looks like more younger.
Stress.
Yeah.
Stress.
So,
Stress. You know, stress when your hair's falling out.
stress?
Stress. Yeah, when you're stressed, when mm, you know, stress.
Yeah, I know.
Fuck, I can't really
I
explain it.
know. I know. I
I'm
know.
drinking too much. Anyway, stress.
Oh.
Stress makes you look younger.
Oh, stress
Younger.
makes younger.
Full of life.
Oh, okay, okay. Do you like to travel?
I just got a passport. I've actually never travelled. I'm the only one in my family that hasn't travelled yet.
Oh.
I have a passport. I got it last year.
Oh, you got your last year. Okay, so as you have a passport, you may have a determination to go over any other country. So, what country do you want to travel for the first time?
Australia.
Australia. Okay. Why Australia first time?
Because I think it would be a good opportunity. Plus, I've got heaps of family over there and friends that I
Oh.
haven't seen in a while now.
Okay, okay. So, okay, but do you have any plan to come over in Asia?
No,
Oh, okay.
no. I don't
Ah,
have any plans to come over there. If I go to anywhere, it would probably be New Way, like Australia, New Way, and
okay. Yeah, I think you are enjoying really so much. You always so beautiful as well as your face and your mind.
oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Look,
you so much.
a person's actual beauty comes from mind. Definitely. That's I do believe.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But anyways, hopefully you guys have a really, really good day. I'm going to
Okay.
love and let you go, and I'm going to go and do some stuff. But I will be back on here later.
Okay, for sure. Thank you so much, Jay. And enjoy your life as well as your mind. Thank you so much.